more workers in the U.S. are using artificial intelligence to help free up hours at work. Resume Builder shows 40% of people using Chat GPT.
Do you want to improve your life with the power of Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an amazing AI that can chat with you and generate all kinds of content for you. But do you know how to use it effectively and creatively? Come, let's find out 10 Chat GPT tips that will blow your mind. Chat GPT hacks are always to make Chat GPT do things that it normally can't or won't do. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence that can chat with you and generate different kinds of content, such as text, images, code, and more. However, Chat GPT also has some rules and limits that prevent it from doing certain things, such as creating harmful or illegal content or answering questions that it doesn't know the answers to. Number 1. Talk to Chat GPT. Talk to Chat GPT is a feature that allows you to have a conversation with an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT. You can ask the AI agent anything you want, such as facts, opinions, jokes, stories, poems, and more. The AI agent will try to respond in a friendly, engaging, and intelligent way. You can also request the AI agent to create graphical artwork based on your prompts. The AI agent can understand and communicate fluently in the language of your choice, such as English, Espanol, French, Dutch, and others. You can switch between 3 modes of conversation: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different style and tone of response. You can also adjust the number of turns you want to have in each conversation. Talk to ChatGPT is a fun and innovative way to explore the possibilities of AI and learn new things. Number 2. ChatGPT Generate Meme Features. ChatGPT generates a meme feature, which is a feature that allows you to create funny and original memes using an artificial intelligent agent powered by GPT. You can provide a prompt for the AI agent, such as a topic, a caption, or style, and the AI agent will try to generate a meme that matches your prompt. The AI agent can create memes in various languages. You can also choose from different modes of meme generation: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different level of humor and originality. You can also adjust the number of memes you want to generate in each request. ChatGPT generates a meme feature, which is a fun and innovative way to express yourself and make others laugh. Number 3. Games inside ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not only a powerful tool for coding and performing various tasks, but also a fun platform for playing simple text-based games. You can enjoy different kinds of games, such as role-playing games, visual games, and more, with ChatGPT. These games can be played with a free version of ChatGPT 3.5, but some games may require the GPT-4 mode for better factual accuracy. Here are some of the best ChatGPT games that you can try. Play Tic-Tac-Toe, Guess the ASCII Art, Read My Mind, Play Hangman, Play Simulator games, RPG games, quiz games, Guess the Word using emojis. Number 4. ChatGPT Music. AI Playlist, a plugin in ChatGPT, uses AI to create playlists that suit your taste and preferences. Playlist AI can make unique and international playlists with songs from different countries, giving you a diverse musical experience. You can ask for unique playlists based on specific criteria, such as French musicians who make technical music with vocals and get personalized with music suggestions. Spotify's recommended playlist often has the same kind of songs that are popular globally, which limits your exposure to different music from different countries and cultures. The AI plugin can make unique Spotify playlists based on your preferences, including specific genres like techno. The paid version of the playlist tool costs $30 a year, which is a fair price considering the value it provides in making unique playlists for different preferences and occasions. Number 5. Web Chat GPT. Web Chat GPT feature is a feature that allows you to have a web-based conversation with an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT-4. You can access the Web Chat GPT feature from any browser and device, such as a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. You can ask the AI agent anything you want, such as facts, opinions, jokes, stories, poems, and more. The AI agent will try to respond in a friendly, engaging, and intelligent way. You can also request the AI agent to create graphical artwork based on your prompts. The AI agent can understand and communicate fluently in the language of your choice. You can switch between 3 modes of conversation: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different style and tone of response. You can also adjust the number of turns you want to have in each conversation. Web Chat GPT features is a fun and innovative way to interact with AI and learn new things. Number 6. ChatGPT Sonic. ChatGPT Sonic feature is a feature that allows you to create and listen to sonic art using an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT. You can provide a prompt for the AI agent, such as sound, a mood, a theme, or a style, and the AI agent will try to generate a sonic art piece that matches your prompt. The AI agent can create sonic art in various languages. You can also choose from different modes of sonic creation: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different level of originality and quality. You can also adjust the length and volume of the sonic art you want to generate in each request. ChatGPT Sonic Feature is a fun and innovative way to explore your sonic creativity and enjoy AI-generated sonic art. Number 7. ChatGPT Fitness. ChatGPT is a great option if you want a personal trainer. You just need to give some of your information in chat. GPT can create a customized diet plan and workout plan for you. You can also ask more questions if you want to know more details about the plans. ChatGPT is based on data that helps users to get personalized fitness plans. Some experts even say that it helps more than a personal trainer can. It's available 24/7 and it also provides motivational quotes and videos that help you achieve your weight loss goals. ChatGPT is a promising tool for fitness enthusiasts. However, it's still an AI-based bot, and it may not tell you the potential risks and drawbacks of certain things. For example, if you have a health condition that is not known to the bot, it may give you the wrong diet plan. Also, it's trained on a fixed data set. It may not give you the most updated and relevant diet plans or exercises. But still, there's no harm in trying it out and seeing if it works for you. Number 8. Custom GPT Design. ChatGPT Custom Design feature is a feature that allows you to create and view custom designs using an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT. You can provide a prompt for the AI agent, such as a logo, a poster, a flyer, or a banner, and the AI agent will try to generate a custom design that matches your prompt. You can also choose from different modes of custom design: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different level of originality and quality. You can also adjust the size and format of the custom design you want to generate in each request. ChatGPT Custom Design feature is a fun and innovative way to express your creativity and view AI-generated custom design. Number 9. ChatGPT Instant Summary. ChatGPT Instant Summary features a feature that allows you to get a quick and concise summary of any text using an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT. You can provide a text for the AI agent, such as an article, a book, a report, or a speech, and the AI agent will try to generate an instant summary that captures the main points and highlights of the text. You can also choose from different modes of instant summary: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different level of detail and accuracy. You can also adjust the length and format of the instant summary you want to generate in each request. ChatGPT Instant Summary feature is a fun and innovative way to get the gist of any text and save time with AI. Number 10. Generate Bars and Graphs. Generate Bars and Graph feature is a feature that allows you to create and view bars and graphs using an artificial intelligence agent powered by GPT. You can provide a prompt for the AI agent, such as a dataset, chart type, or title, or theme, and the AI agent will try to generate a bar or a graph that matches your prompt. You can also choose from different modes of bars and graphs: balanced, creative, and precise. Each mode has a different level of style and quality. You can also adjust the size and format of the bars and graphs you want to generate in each request. Generate Bars and Graphs feature is a fun and innovative way to visualize your data and view AI-generated bars and graphs. You have learned how to use ChatGPT to write better, create better, and code better, and other various hacks. It's amazing, right? Comment your favorite feature or hack of the ChatGPT 3 and GPT-4 in the comment box below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.